Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the world of HQ Trivia, where your trivia knowledge can literally pay off. But what if I told you that you could seriously boost your chances to win? Yep, it's all about playing smart with multiple accounts. Let's get into how you can set this up legally and ethically using MobileSMS.io's disposable numbers. Stay tuned. First off, what's HQ Trivia? Imagine this, a live game right on your phone where every correct answer could sling you towards real cash. You're up against millions and every round is a do-or-die scenario. Miss one, and you're out. Sounds thrilling, right? Now, why would you want multiple accounts? Think of it like this. More accounts, more chances to win. It's like having extra dice rolls in your favorite board game. Each account is a new shot at that prize pool, which, by the way, you can cash out via PayPal. Sweet. Setting up your first account is super easy. Just download the app, sign up, and boom, you're in. But here's where it gets a bit tricky. Every account needs a phone number for verification. And that's where MobileSMS.io comes in clutch. With MobileSMS.io, you can grab disposable numbers that let you bypass the usual one account per number rule. Just pick a number, pop it into HQ Trivia, get your code, and verify. Want more accounts? Repeat the process. It's that simple. Now a quick tip. Always use a strong internet connection when setting up accounts to ensure you get your verification codes without a hitch. And keep a list of which numbers go with which accounts. Organization is key, my friends. You might be wondering, does this really work? Well, I can't spill user details, but let's just say there's a happy bunch of gamers out there who've upped their game with MobileSMS.io. And it's not just for HQ Trivia. These numbers work for other games and platforms too, keeping your main number spam-free and secure. So by setting up multiple HQ Trivia accounts through MobileSMS.io, you're not just multiplying your chances to win, you're also protecting your privacy. That's a win-win in my book. Ready to try it out? Head over to MobileSMS.io, get those disposable numbers, and start your own trivia empire. And hey, if you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome tips. Catch you in the next one.